Yo, yo, what's going on, everybody? All right, so one thing that you should be doing every single week is looking at your competitors, looking at other people that are in the industry, selling similar products, using similar angles to market, and looking at what they're doing, looking at where they're spending money. That's something you should be doing every single week. I talked about this before. If you don't have a creative inspiration folder, you need to create a creative inspiration folder. Bookmark different brands. Dude, I created this over the course of 3 years, this list of different brands that I look at. I have site inspiration that I look at as well. You want to be once a week sitting down, analyzing what are other people spending money on, and then utilizing that to create your own ad creatives, using that as inspiration to create new ad creatives. That's what you need to be doing every single week to be able to compete with these people, right? Especially direct competitors in the space. You want to be on top of what are they running, what angles are they using, how are they approaching selling right now, how are they making money right now, what is working for them right now, and how can I make that work for me. It's a little 1-minute PSA. Get it done. Crush Thursday. Let's get it.